Introducing MediaPet 2.0, the first app where a real AI agent takes charge of your video projects. In this video, we showcase both our new 2.0 chat mode and our popular browser with real project examples. In 2.0, we are introducing 3 powerful creation modes: video ads for high-impact business promotions, short movies to turn bold ideas into cinematic trailers and stories, and Spokesperson, featuring the world's first AI-powered UGC with authentic product demonstrations. Our new agent keeps things simple. Tell it what you want, just like chatting with any LLM. It asks the right questions, and together, you build your full project, effortlessly. Simply upload image references of your product, environment, logo, or characters. From there, the agent takes care of everything, intelligently integrating them into the script and visuals to make the best creative decisions and produce a high-converting video that drives real customer results. The agent gives you complete control over your script. Prompt changes to a single scene, edit narrations manually, or apply creative adjustments across multiple scenes, like making them funnier, sharper, or more engaging. Once your script is finalized, you can generate all your images with a single click. You'll see your uploaded products and characters placed in the right scenes. You can then edit your images in 2 ways. Apply changes across multiple scenes at once, for example, replacing the product in scenes 3, 4, 5, and 6 using an image reference, or use Add to edit images individually, simply by prompting. Once your first frames are ready, you can generate your videos and edit them just as easily. Next, choose the perfect voiceover from our voice library, then select the music that best fits your project. In the final step, everything comes together in our timeline studio, where you can add transitions, apply visual effects, insert sound effects, and fine-tune your video to perfectly match your needs. Now, I'll hand it over to my coworker Steve, who will walk you through the browser mode using an ad video project.
Hello everyone, welcome to MediaPet demo video. In the first step, you'll find the business form where you can fill in information about your business, like the name, industry, and the service you provide. You can also add your script idea if you already have one, or let the AI write it for you. You can include a slogan and choose your call to action as well. You'll also find the aspect ratio for different social platforms, your video length options, and a variety of styles from over 100 different choices. And at the end, you'll select the ad tone and the target age group that fits your business. Now in the second step, you get to choose how you want to create your ad. You can start with white glove mode, perfect for anyone who doesn't want to spend time editing. Just leave your comments and image references, and our professional editors will make the ad for you. You can also choose agentic mode, where the AI does everything on its own. All you do is pick the narrator's voice, and the AI handles the full production. Then there's AI mode, our most recommended option. The AI writes the script and builds the ad while you guide it like a teammate, giving feedback to get the best results. Or you can go with manual mode, made for users who want to control every shot, every angle, and every detail themselves. So if you go with AI mode, you'll see that in just a few seconds, the AI creates a complete script tailored to your business. You'll get different scene cards, and each one represents a 5-second shot that you can edit if you don't like the scene direction or the voiceover the AI suggests. Next, you can add references to your scenes, for example, an environment like your restaurant interior, or a character you can choose from our list or upload yourself, even your own image. You can also add your logo or your product, whether it's a dish, a car, or anything you want to feature. After that, you simply click the Generate button. The app will start producing the first frame images of each scene. and you'll notice an automatic tracking system that keeps your characters, environments, and objects consistent across the whole video. You can even edit your first frames by removing objects, applying prompt-based edits, or changing the camera shot. There are also extra tools like swapping characters and more, which we let you explore on your own. Now in the video step, you'll find your video creator, giving you the choice between a fixed camera or dynamic shots, and how many different camera angles you want in each 5-second scene. You can also choose our Video Pro mode for better enhanced quality and extraordinary audio and speech. You'll have access to our lip sync model, where you simply type what you want your character to say, and it will animate the voice for you. We also offer NeoAct, which lets you animate your scene from a reference video you can record or upload, and we'll let you discover it by yourself. The last step is audio, where you choose a voice for your narration from our large voice library, and it will automatically apply to all your scenes. Then you'll move to the music section, where you can either select a track from our extensive library or generate a custom score that perfectly matches your script. After that, you'll enter our timeline editor, where all your generated elements are already assembled, and you can adjust your clips, their volume, and final details. And your video ad is ready.